What's going on, everybody? It's Devin from Head Up Throttle Down. Today I'm super excited to bring you along on this trail ride at the North Star Trail in the Belair Forest. I'm super lucky today because I actually have the president of the Belair ATV Club here to give me a guided tour, so we're not going to miss any of the cool things along the trail. So if you guys look over here, this is the trail we're going to be riding, the North Star Trail. It's an old logging road. It's about 25 kilometers one way. It's one trail out of dozens and dozens of trails they have out here. I'm really excited to bring you guys along for the ride. So right now we took a bit of a detour. We're not actually on the North Star Trail yet. So I thought you guys would like to see some of the other riding that's available out here. So let's get into it. What's going on, everybody? I am here with the president of the Belair ATV Club, Bill Marsh. We've been out here riding the trails. He's been giving me an awesome tour of the beautiful scenic riding they have out here. And I thought it'd be a great opportunity for him to be able to introduce himself and talk to you about the amazing club they have here.
Thank you very much, Devin. Yeah, so I'm Bill Marsh, Belair ATV Club president. We manage 155 kilometers of trail. We brush it, we groom it. We have club rides all the time. Like we have 11 rides set up for this year. We have free barbecue lunches. You don't have to be a club member to come out and enjoy a ride with our club. You just come on out, enjoy some scenery, enjoy some good riding, free barbecue lunch, meet some new people, get some friends that you can go riding with, and just make it a great day. A lot of people, they do that. They come out as non-members. By the end of the day, they're signing up and joining our club. It's an easy process. You can do it either online or at any of our club rides. You can also buy a membership and you're right in the club right off the hop. Right now we're at the beautiful Jackfish Crossing. The water's flowing here all year long, winter and summer. We get a lot of people that come down here. We call this our wheel washing station because after riding on the dusty trails, it washes the dust off. A lot of good opportunities to see some things that you would normally see. We saw a lot of deer today already. You see bears and stuff out here. In this area here, you can see a lot of beavers as well because they have a dam just behind me here.
Yeah, I actually saw a beautiful black bear just up the road coming to the staging area. So
Yeah.
a lot of beautiful wildlife around here. Great, like just a great scenic ride this entire day. So if people are really interested about this club, or say they want to come travel here, it sounds like the best way to get a hold of you or get a hold of the club is through Facebook. So go online, search Belair ATV Club, go to the Facebook page and send them a message, right?
Yeah, you can do that. You could, like say, you can do it on our Facebook page or you can do it on our club website. We have a form there that you can fill out if you have any questions and stuff, or if you want to get information about riding. We actually had a couple come out from Canada, Ontario, which is just outside Ottawa, and they messaged us and they wanted to come out and ride our trails this spring, which they did. And they stayed at the South Beach Casino, which is actually on part of our trail system. And they parked there and they rode from there every day. And they came out onto our trails up in the Belair Forest and on the Whistle Pig Trail. There's also restaurants there. We got gas stations. There's the Belair store. It's got food, it's got gas.
Yeah, so for me personally, I actually spent the night at a campsite, which I'll be showing you guys later in the video. But you can actually access part of the trail system from the campsite. And there's plenty of campsites around here where you could actually come, camp, bring your side-by-sides, and just go exploring and really come out here and enjoy the trails. For the people who came and traveled here, I would honestly say it's worth it. I've only seen 17 or 18 kilometers of the trail so far, and it's been absolutely beautiful, and I can't wait to see more of it. So appreciate your time, and thanks for bringing me along.
Great. Thanks very much, Devin.
Thanks. So this is where we started this morning. Down here at Stead at the south side of the North Star Trail. And we actually rode trails all through the Belair Provincial Forest to get us up to here. So now we're going to go completely on the North Star Trail all the way back down to the staging area. The riding so far has been awesome. I'm really grateful to the Belair president for coming out and showing me around. But we came out here to film the North Star Trail, so let's go see what it looks like. awesome ride today. The North Star Trail, the part we did there at the end, extremely scenic, very beautiful ride, but not very challenging. Like, you could honestly come out here and try this trail in a stock Jeep. I highly suggest, if you guys are into ATVing, off-roading, you got to come check out the Belair Forest. It's been an absolute awesome time. I hope you guys liked watching this video. As always, I'll put the link for the location of the staging area in the description of this video, and I'll actually put the location of the RV camp that I stayed at, just in case you guys are interested in coming out here, riding, and staying the night. Until next time, keep your head up and that throttle down.